I think when you look at just anything in life, I think the tough part where people kind of get paralyzed is they look very short term. Um, you know, this mortgage coming in, next month, or this paycheck coming in every 2 weeks. And I think really in life, sometimes it's really helpful to zoom out. We've all got one run at this thing, and so why not make the most of it and do life the way that you're going to be proud to do it, and going to, as a parent, inspire your kids. It's one of the things that I looked at is, if I was on my deathbed, 85 years old, 90 years old, hopefully 120 years old, who knows by the time, the way technology is advancing. But if I was sitting there telling my kids that are 10, 9, and almost 5, hey, you can do anything in life you want to do, just apply yourself and go get it, and embrace the challenge. And then at the same time, I'm sitting there and not taking my own advice. It's modeling versus preaching. And to me, the true way that you show people or teach people is you just model the behaviors. And so for me, I just had to zoom out. I had to zoom way out on life and say, short term, this might be a painful and difficult and tough decision, but long term, I absolutely know it's the right decision. And the one thing we all have, we're talking about investing, which most people equate to money. The one investment that we all have that's the exact same, whether you're Warren Buffett or Jeff Bezos or any other billionaire out there, we all have the same amount of time. And so what I really had to make the decision on, Justin, was how do I want to control my time? And as an employee, that's just tougher. You've got somebody kind of maybe dictating that a little bit. And so I knew deep down, just long term, I wanted to be able to control my time and spend that where I see fit. And I know, like, as we got to know each other, we started out with these weekly dads calls, but I saw a guy in you that made a very tough decision, many of which I'm sure your friends called you crazy at the time.
Oh yeah.
And it gave you the ability to truly control your time and spend it where you get the most value from it. And so I think that's a key aspect to lifestyle investing, as you've coined it, and I love the term. It's how do you want to spend that time in that lifestyle you want to create? And you've got to make choices in life that allow you to do that.